Okay, that's it. I'm impressed. This is the VINGLI. I just got this today. I kid you not. I have been through Pentair, the Barracuda. I've been through probably 4 or 5 different brands of these little vacuum suckers for the pool, and they last a little while and then they go bad. Never have I had one go up the side of the pool, but this one does, and I am impressed. For 99 bucks, you can't go wrong. So check this little guy out. He's just cruising right along. And you know something else I find interesting is there's no clicking sound like the other ones where you could hear through the whole course of the thing. This one you can barely hear it. Oh, look, it's headed for the ladder. Now, I did get hung up on the ladder, but they do that. They can't help that. But this little guy, let's see if he'll go up that back wall back there. Oh, come on up there. Go. There he goes. There he goes. Look. He's going up. Right up to the top. That is a first. I've been here 15 years. I've never had one go all the way up the side. Now he's floating back down, but he did climb it. Again, for 100 bucks, I am not complaining. I'm happy. He's doing his job. And hey, I would recommend this, honestly. I think it's a good deal for the money. For 100 bucks, I can't afford a real fancy robotic type. And who knows, you just never know when you're going to get a replacement. So if I had to pay $100 a year, I wouldn't care. It's great. Get the VINGLI. It's good.
So the majority of the time it stays in the middle. It does a fantastic job thinning in the bottom, the middle part. I have to drag it to the shallow area. It's green on this side. You guys can tell. I had to drag it. I'm pinning it right there to keep it on this side. See if it does anything. Earlier I dragged it and it did this. It cleaned a little strip right there, and then it went right back to the center and then to the deep end. So let's see what it does here. It can't go, it's trying to go to the middle. You can't tell. It's trying to go back to the middle. Let's see if it comes back. I don't think it'll come back. Thinking about returning it.
I gotta say, this vacuum is awesome. Let me translate that in Spanish. Este aparato trabaja excelente. Cleans the pool really good. It just for the price of this equipment is unbelievable. I tried the one that cost like $250 and I didn't like it at all. But this one is less than $100. And it just does the job. So incredible. I'm happy with this product and great job, guys. Look at how clean that sucker looks. Wow. And it's very smooth as well. It's not too loud at night. Super smooth. And it does the job. Incredible.
Ready? We have had this for almost a week now. And it is still stuck, and as you can see, the pool is green. It has been stuck in the same position. You can see where when it did clean, but I've got to constantly watch it and look at my pool. It's never looked like this before. Look at that. I just moved it 30 minutes ago and 30 minutes before that, and it is still stuck. When it sucks, it sucks. And when it doesn't, it sucks. It will be returned. It's still sitting in the same position. Get my poo. Oh my God.
It's working, but it's way slower than what it was before. Same pressure, we haven't changed the pressure. So this is the second one. Probably it's gonna happen the same like the first one. It start working perfect and then slowly get on this situation. That's why I want to send it to you. All right? The first one was faster. It wasn't a week. This one is already a little over a month. And look, now it's getting slow. So I need to replace that one.
I had been gone for a couple weeks on a road trip and my pool cleaner had quit working. There was all this construction going on in the back of my house, which was bringing tons of dirt and dust over the wall. It's all over my furniture, and obviously my pool was completely saturated with this dirt. Now, I'd only had this running for a few hours when I did this recording, and you can see some of the spots that it hadn't gotten to yet, but I am actually really impressed at how much this pool cleaner climbs the walls also. This is the next day, and it had done a really good job. I did end up having to lift it to kind of do my little seating area, but the pool is looking really, really good, and especially for the price of this cleaner. I am super impressed.
So I just put together this new pool cleaner. And if you have an irregular type size pool, this thing is cooking it. It goes so fast. I had to dial it back a little bit so it didn't crawl up the sides completely, but I just want to show you how fast this thing moves. I'm speechless and impressed and super excited. Anyway, just want to share. Thanks, bye.
So I wanted to do a review on this automatic pool vacuum cleaner that I got. I've had it for almost a year now. I replaced the rubber pad on the bottom probably about 6 months ago. But it works really well. As you can see, just attached it, and then once I turn the pool pump on, it starts cleaning. It's got a good vibration to it. Works pretty well.
If you're having trouble getting your pool vacuum to cover your whole pool, try this little trick. Move the location of the suction. Here mine is in the middle of the pool. You make a little device. I made a little shelf with a pole on it. Holds my pool hose in a different location. And now my pool vacuum covers my entire pool. Try it, might help you. Bye.
This thing works great. Goes up the walls. Only use the hose that you need, otherwise it will get stuck in right-hand corners.
This is what happens. It gets stuck in this corner between the spa and the stairs, and it just stays there, and I don't know how to get it out. But basically I can't use it if it's just going to keep getting stuck right here. And that's the whole layout of the pool, but it constantly gets stuck right there. side to the water line.
The pool is sparkling clean. I mean, we had a little chemical imbalance, but the vacuum does a really good job too.